We were really lucky in 2012, so that's 4 years ago now, to be able to get a visit from the Council of Writing Program administrators. We had two consultants come in and look at what we were doing with writing, not just in the English department, but in the whole university. They brought these consultants in, and one of the things that they suggested is that we have a writing across the curriculum program, the director of whom is hiding behind the camera over there, Nancy Barone. And that, I think, has made a huge difference in the way the university looks at writing. Even though it's only, I think, Nancy's second year, you can just see where this could go, and hopefully will go, where writing is imbued throughout the university, is in all sorts of classes, with all sorts of writing instruction and help for students, because the university is finally seeing that writing is really important and critical. So the biggest change to me has been that particular job classification and the wonderful work that's being done there. I think that makes a huge difference at NAU. I've already alluded to the writing across the curriculum program and the tutoring that the Writing Commons does. I think that needs to continue to grow. I think it needs to be integrated as best as it can with the standard English 105 course, but mainly to get that writing activity in all classes. I've been lucky enough to be involved with a couple of learning community programs over the years, and found out that when we have a psychology teacher and a writing teacher and a biology teacher working together, where the writing assignments linked to those courses are really, really wonderful. And hopefully we can develop that in more detail here. It's expensive, teachers have to work together, it's very time consuming, but then you get writing in all the courses at some level.
What I find with the freshman students is that I teach a rhetorical kind of toolbox. So we look at the rhetorical appeals, so ethos, pathos, logos, purpose, audience, intertextuality, constraints, those kinds of issues. And they get a chance to apply those, and they get a chance to recognize that that's a toolbox that's portable. They can take that to other classes where they're doing writing. This has been really exciting for me. I've actually seen some students from that freshman level through that graduate level and beyond at this point, and who are now professors. And it's interesting how rhetoric keeps developing as they move along, and it becomes much more than just a toolbox, much more than a kit. It becomes something that's part of how they look at the world, you know? So yeah, it gets very interesting.